Poop! You just ran out of poop!
What's up, gearheads? Welcome to Driving Caffeinated. We're here for a very special feature. Calin, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Guys, this truck is one of a kind, and I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's all over like every truck group, every car show, and it's dear to my heart, and it means a lot to have them on the show. So why don't you maybe tell the viewers exactly what they're looking at, what kind of truck you got, and what you got going on.
So behind me I got a 2016 Ram 1500. I call her Mayhem.
Mayhem?
That's kind of the thing. My wife gave me the name. It wasn't me. Got to give credit to the wife.
Okay, all right.
It's just a 1500 Sport, and since I bought it, I've been modifying it since the day I got it.
Okay.
Warranty doesn't count. There's no warranty left.
What kind of stuff have you done to it?
Oh man, the first thing that I did was rims and tires.
Okay,
it was
all right.
the first. I started out with 33-inch tires. And did the rims, and it just kind of kept going from there. I started out doing little light interior changes. I have interior lighting done under my seats, my dash, that kind of started.
Okay.
And then I started like, you know what, it's gonna go up a bit, so I did a leveling kit in it.
Nice, nice.
Then the fenders came on, put bigger tires on. I went from 33s to 35s.
Okay. And what did you go for wheels? What kind of wheels you got going on?
Those are the Mayhem rims. It goes with the name.
Okay, that's fitting.
It
That's
goes
one
with
thing.
it.
I learned something new every day. Cool, that looks really good. I mean, I love the way it sits, and I love the way it's kind of like a level look. So did it come more of like a front end kit? Did you put as like a front raise?
Yeah, I bought a kit for front and rear. I put a Daystar 2.5-inch level kit in it.
Okay.
I only did the front when I was measuring out, seeing what kind of differences I had between the front and rear. It was only an inch difference.
Okay.
So I didn't put the back end side in. I just left it so it wouldn't get that factory raked stance.
Right.
And it just leveled it up.
What are maybe some stuff you got coming up that you got in mind that you want to change?
Well, I just tuned the truck.
Okay.
It's got a Diablo unlocked PCM in it now.
Okay.
I'm just running the cam tunes for now. I'm running a 91 octane tune. It is going to get professionally tuned. I'm going to have Castle Customs do some work on it for me. And then once I get some of his tunes in, I'm going to have him dyno it. I want to see what it's putting out for horsepower.
And where can the viewers check you out on Instagram?
Just at Mayhem_1500.
Mayhem_1500.
Yep.
Okay, cool. And I know there's a couple of you, so don't get mixed up. There's Mini-Ham, Mayhem, Christmas Ham, I don't know. There's a lot.
I have a follower that is building his truck. Not the same spec. It's identical. It's identical. Yeah.
I mean, he was telling me the other day. He's like, we've got the exact same taillights. He's named this thing Mini Ham.
And that name came from my wife as well.
Oh my God.
She gave him the name.
I mean, it's good. I mean, I love the fact that, I mean, it doesn't matter what it is or it doesn't matter what you drive. If you inspire from something, just the same way we do stuff for the future. If you like something, you like a style. I mean, I'm a huge Asian inspired, like I like Asian culture, anything Japanese or Chinese culture. So when I was doing my exhaust, you guys all know that I took off the bazooka style, right? The ones that they make the crazy kamikaze, right? I mean, it was wild. But I mean, I definitely am all for like taking bits and pieces of all the things that you were inspired from, right? So all the power to him getting that build. I mean, I would love to see both identical, because it would be so cool.
I'm honored just that he took the time to kind of want to piece his truck following my ideas. I think it's great. I don't think it's taking away from my ideas at all. We do have subtle differences. There is no.
It's not identical.
It just looks close with. He's got the painted headlights.
Yeah.
I have the first generation halos. He has the second generation halos. Okay. I did my lights myself. He paid for his.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, I mean, they both look super good. I mean, so if you ever get to see them both at a show, I know that our last show we attended together was only yesterday.
It was, yeah.
We were there yesterday for the rollout to the SoCal, and 403 Street Media did that closer.
Yeah, So Scare, Steezy, 403 Street Driven.
Right.
Yeah.
So they all came together yesterday to do a shoot, to do the event. and they were both there. So if you can go to maybe a local Calgary event or a local Alberta event, more likely than not you'll see them both together, and they're buddies, so you probably see them parked next to each other.
You know what, I've always had a motto that, you know what, if we can share a road together, why can't we share a meet or a parking lot together?
Absolutely.
I mean, I don't diss anybody that just because you like a car and I like big trucks. It really shouldn't come down to you have to be a truck guy and nothing else.
Right.
I'm a firm believer. I started out in JDM before I got into the truck stuff.
What would be maybe something that you would tell everybody watching? Maybe they're just starting off and they're like, I just bought a new Honda Civic, or I bought an old Honda Civic. What would you give them for advice when they're just getting started?
Don't let other people tell you how to do your build. Do it the way 100%. You want to do it.
Yes.
Don't do it to please the world.
Right.
I mean, everybody's got opinions. Just do it to your liking.
Right. I couldn't agree more. I think that if anybody is like trying to get started, really just don't listen. I mean, your buddies are going to have advice.
Oh, absolutely.
Right. Our friends, our wives, our husbands, they're all going to have advice. But in the end,
if I didn't listen to half my wife's advice, that wouldn't look as good as it does.
Okay. So if you're married, sorry guys, if you're married, pay attention to what your wife has to say. Yeah. Great. What about future plans for the truck? What do you have?
It is going to go up a little more. I'm going to raise it just a bit more.
You have a kit in mind you want to get for it?
I'm going to build custom brackets.
Okay, sweet.
That are going to go on. I don't want to take away too much of the factory settings, going into massive lift kits and changing pinion factor and everything. So I could go on a full technician rant, but it's going to go up a little bit more. I have some tire rub when I go in reverse. I got the bigger tires. I have 2-inch spacers behind them to give me a little more poke. And when I back up, they rub pretty good.
Guys, that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Driving Caffeinated. I know we sure did. We're going to get some great shots for you so you can really see all the detail in the truck. But I want to thank you for the show.
Thanks for having me, man. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. If you've not yet checked out the rest of the channel, go click on the link on the side here and at the end of the video, and we'll be able to show you all the cool stuff we've been working on through Show Yard for Brandon and all the other cool club meets.
Check out Trucks for Canada.
Yeah, check out Trucks for Canada, right? I mean, they got a lot of awesome Facebook content. And if you want to see more content on Mayhem, then you can actually go to his Instagram. He posts a lot of cool stuff there.
I try my best to, yeah.
And if you have any questions for him, you can hit us up, or you can hit him up on Instagram. Just message him there. Guys, do what moves you. Take care, guys.
Hey guys, just want to say thanks for checking out my video today. Please follow the links that are in this vicinity on the screen, here, up there, somewhere where their links will be. Give them a click and a like. Check it out. Check out Girl Cafe. Check out Trucks of Canada. Please feel free to follow my Instagram as well. Thank you very much, guys.